What's up, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at my 2023 BMW M4 competition, and guys, it's a lovely night here in Miami. Just about 70 degrees or so, so not too concerned about any sort of traction issues. But before we go for a drive, let's take a look at the car, and we're going to head over to Brickell, downtown Brickell. Hopefully we're going to catch some Supercars if anyone's out and about, and then we'll also go by South Beach and Biscayne for just some nice views over there. So just taking a look over here, the car is finished in this gorgeous individual spec. It's an option, it's tanzanite blue. Excuse that the car is a little bit dirty here, but it looks like black pretty much, this color at night when there's no lights on it, but during the day and obviously under some lighting here, we're able to see that it's blue, and it looks pretty sexy there, that sparkle we have. And I'm a huge fan of these anniversary badges we got. All the wheel caps, I have it on the back here as well. They're super duper dope. I think it pops out really nicely against the blue. But the car sitting on these Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, they're pretty good grip, pretty good traction, so I've never had any sort of issue with that really. But we have the pretty much factory BMW black rims. I'm thinking about getting some black BBS rims. Let me know if you guys think that's a good idea. I just don't know if the price is kind of justified since we already have the black. I don't know if it would be too different, but this car, it's an X-Drive model, so obviously it's coming in four-wheel drive usually, but the cool thing about it is that we have the option to change it to rear wheel biased in 80/20, or it can be fully just rear wheel, but I usually keep it in four wheel. Just I do think it is a little bit safer here, but we have a lot of carbon on this car. This carbon is factory, that roof. I put on this mirror cap on the side. Miami noises in the background. We also have this carbon ducktail. I think it makes the car way more aggressive. I had a big problem with it when it was stock. It just came with like a small gloss tail. Looked super duper lame, so I think it was a massive worthwhile increase to put it on there. One more thing that I forgot to mention is we have tints on the car as well. You can see out the side, but that's actually 5%. I'll put it up on the screen. It's very dark and difficult to see if you're on the outside. Great feature, one of the first things that I did to the car, but set up so terribly. We have these 3-lane highways heading to the biggest part of the city. It's the most high volume pathway in the state pretty much. It's impossible to get through here at any time between the hours of 8 and 10 in the morning or 2 and 5. I mean, just typical rush hour. Super congested. Honestly, makes it not even desirable to drive at all. So the plan here is to to head to Brickell. We're gonna go through Brickell Avenue and we're gonna see if there are any supercars around. It's currently Monday night when I'm filming this, so everyone might be busy working. I mean, not that people really work here, but someone hopefully is gonna be there. SVJs, McLarens, something good to see. But I always love heading to Brickell purely just because of the fact that it's inspirational, motivational. I think even to see other kids and see other people 19, 20, 21, you know, all around this age bracket doing really, really incredible things, making a lot of money, doing impressive feats of success. But after we head through Brickell, we're gonna hit up Key Biscayne and we're gonna be able to hopefully see a super nice view over the bridge. It's about a mile or two on the Rickenbacker, and looks like a pretty clear sky as well, so it would be nice to see the stars. Vicinity of Brickell Avenue, I can almost hear Rick Ross playing in the background. Rickenbacker over to Key Biscayne is to the right over there, but we're gonna head through Brickell Avenue, do a loop, and then go back down there. Very festive today. Alright, we're now officially entering downtown Brickell. It's become Brickell Avenue. Oh, yo, look at that. They got some sick lights on the 40. There's a Roma over there as well in the back. Christmas. Got the Rari with the lights on. What could be more Miami? Brickell noises. Mustang and a new Mustang thing just crashed into the crowd. Uh-oh. Oh, there's a Valtronic on. matte black Huracan. It's pretty nice. Getting lasered by a cop right now. Yes, officer, I go to speed limit. One time I came to Brickell and I went down the wrong direction. Shit was one of the most awkward experiences I've had in my life. Someone yelled at me and then to reverse out the back. Extreme oil loss. This is the scene of the crime. The first time I ever was in Brickell, I went past this taco place right here. And I was at that intersection next to that one-way sign. Beautiful black, matte black M8 competition. This kid was driving it, well, younger than me, probably 16, 17, 18, somewhere around there. I'm standing there waiting for my Uber. This is before I had the M4. This guy sees me, guns it, absolutely just does a pull right past me, makes my ears bleed. It's hella motivational right there. It's like, damn, I want to be the one doing that. Now I can. Let's see if there's any victims. Let's make our way over to Key Biscayne now. Pause the recording. Shit. You know what I like to do when I see tunnels? bunch of other content coming out soon. Check out my TikTok and my Instagram. I post a little bit more creative, artistic, edit sort of stuff there. And once again, stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a lot of modifications on the car, getting more cars,